right there. If someone asked you simple questions in English right now, would you answer confidently or would you panic? Many English learners know grammar, but they struggle with everyday questions. So today, I'm going to teach you 50 everyday English questions you must master. If you're just coming across my video for the first time, welcome. This is Learn English with Gifty. Now let's get back to the video. These are the exact questions people ask in real life. I mean, at work, at school, in restaurants, and I want you to repeat after me. Ready? Let's start. These are the most common questions people ask when they meet you for the first time. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. What's your name? Good. Where are you from? Good. How old are you? Good. What do you do? Good. So now, what do you do means what is your job? For example, I'm a teacher, I'm a student, I work in an office. Now your turn. Repeat. What do you do? Good. Good job. And finally, do you speak English? Good. Now, these questions are used every single day. Friends ask them, family ask too, co-workers even ask them. Now let's practice. How was your day? Now, this question asks about your experience today. So you can answer, my day was good. My day was busy. My day was stressful. Now repeat, how was your day? Good. You can also say, what are you doing? Where are you going? Did you sleep well? What did you eat today? Good. Now pause the video and answer this question in English. What did you eat today? Take 5 seconds. Great. Let's continue. These questions are very common at work and school. Let's practice. Where do you work? You can answer, I work at a hospital. I work in a company. I work from home. Now repeat, where do you work? Good. People can also ask, what time do you start work? So when someone tells you this, when someone asks you this question, what time do you start work? They want to know the exact time. So you can say, I start at 8 a.m., 9 a.m. Okay? Another question is this, do you like your job? Now, another question is, what are you studying? You can say, I'm studying math, I'm studying English, I'm studying literature. Okay? And the final one, please repeat after me. Do you have homework? Good, good job. Now, for this, these are questions that are used when making plans or talking to friends. Let's practice. How are you? What are you doing this weekend? Now, if someone tells you this, you can answer, I'm staying home, I'm visiting my family, I'm going out with friends, and so on. So now repeat, what are you doing this weekend? Do you want to join us? When someone says, do you want to join us? Right? They are asking if you want to, you know, join in an activity. Okay, maybe they are going shopping and they say, do you want to join us? Meaning, do you want to join in this activity? Okay. Another one is, are you free today? You can say, yes, I am. Or no, I'm not. Sorry. Another one, can we meet later? Yes. These questions are very useful when shopping. Let's practice. How much is this? When someone says how much is this, they want to know what the price is. So you can answer, it's $10, it's 20 euros, it's 5 rupees. Okay? Now repeat after me. How much is this? The next question is, Do you have this in another size? Yes. Or can I pay by card? Is there a discount? Can I try this on? Yeah, good. Good job. Now, these questions are very common in restaurants. Let's practice. Can I see the menu? This is a polite way to ask for food options, okay? So, repeat after me. Can I see the menu? Good. The next one. What do you recommend? Good. The next one. Is it spicy? Can I have the bill? Now you say can I have the bill when you are asking for the money, when you're asking for the price of your food, when you're asking for the bill, right? Of your food. So you say can I have the bill, meaning you're about to pay for your food. So you need the bill. Okay? And finally, do you take reservations? Good job. See, phone conversations can be difficult in English. Yeah, I know, I'm talking from experience. So, these questions are very important. Repeat after me. Can you hear me? This is mostly used when the connection is not clear. Also, you can say, can I call you back? You can also say, is this a good time? Or, can you repeat that? Now, these questions will help you very well. Now, these questions are extremely useful when traveling. You need to know them. Let's practice. Where is the restroom? Repeat. Where is the restroom? How do I get there? How long does it take? What time does the bus leave? Is the seat taken? Good job. For health questions, they are also important. These questions are used when talking about your health. Repeat after me. How do you feel? You can answer, I feel good. I feel tired. I feel sick. Okay? You can also ask, do you have a fever? Where does it hurt? Are you feeling better? Did you take your medication? Okay? Good. For polite questions, they are used to make your English sound polite and professional. Repeat after me. Could you help me? Very good. Would you mind repeating that? May I ask a question? Can you explain this? Could you speak more slowly? Perfect. Good job. Now, let's test your English. Answer these questions out loud. Don't just listen. Speak. This is how you improve. The first question. What's your name? Good. The second one. How was your day? Good. Next one. Where do you work? Good. The next one. How much is this? You're doing a good job. And finally, can you help me? Good job! If you found this lesson helpful, subscribe to this channel. I post new English lessons every week to help you speak clearly and confidently. And tell me in the comments, which question was difficult for you? I'll see you in the next lesson. Thanks for watching. Bye!